Welcome to Westward Pointe in Sealy, Texas. At DR Horton Houston South, we are thrilled to present our new traditional homes featuring unique open floor plans that range from 1,595 to 2,257 square feet. Nestled just off of Interstate 10 and Highway 36, Westward Pointe offers unparalleled convenience for travel to Houston, San Antonio, or Austin. This charming community is perfect for those who appreciate a relaxing, semi-rural lifestyle enriched with a rich history. Homeowners will love exploring the local businesses and attractions in Sealy. Whether you enjoy hiking in state parks, dining at one of many delightful restaurants, or browsing through unique shops, there's something for everybody to enjoy. Don't miss the Wolfpack Bar and Grill, known for its smoked delicious meals that you and your friends can savor together. For easy directions to Westward Pointe, simply type 1002 Switchgrass Ct, Sealy, Texas 77474 into your navigation device. Exit 720 on Texas 36, Sealy Bellville, go under the overpass, past Walmart, and make a right on FM 3013. Drive about 3.5 miles and make a right onto Waterside Trace, where you will locate the DR Horton model home. Families will be able to benefit from being part of the Sealy Independent School District, with schools located just a few minutes from the community. Your children can attend Summit Elementary, Sealy Junior High, and Sealy High School, ensuring a seamless educational experience close to home. Come discover the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and community in Westward Pointe. Your new home in this vibrant neighborhood is waiting for you. Book your appointment today and take the first step towards making Westward Pointe your new home.
Hey, my name is Bashar with DR Horton. I'm here at Westward Pointe in Sealy, Texas, right off I-10 and Harrison Road. I have great incentives here, great closing cost incentives, and great rate buy-down incentives. Go ahead and contact this number right here to get in contact with me. I'll be your sales counselor throughout the process, and I'll be helping you out to find your new great home.